Hi, so today my student and we went over area and perimeter of a square and rectangle, and we went over how to pronounce large numbers. So the perimeter of a square is just all the sides added up to one another. And we know that all the sides are equal to one another. So if we were given the base is 2 inches, we know that all the other sides are 2 inches as well. So we add up all the sides, we'll get 8 inches. Or instead of adding all of them up, we can just multiply the base by 4. And for the area, we would just multiply the base and height, which would be 2 times 2 is 4 inches squared. And remember, for area, you always have to square your units since you're multiplying the whatever your unit is by itself 2 times. Then for perimeter of a rectangle, it's similar, but this time the sides are not equal to one another, only the parallel sides. So let's say it's 7 inches on the base, the side parallel to that 7 inches, and the side parallel to the width would also be 3 inches. So then we would just add it all up, and that'll be 20 inches, and the area will be 21 inches squared, because we would just multiply the base and height by one another for the area. And then for the perimeter, we just added all the sides up to one with one another. 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3 again. And then my student had a hard time pronouncing large numbers, such as this one. So, like a number like this, they had a hard time pronouncing numbers greater than 1 million. So basically what you want to do here is you split the commas, like split each of the commas into sections and say what place value they're in. So we know these first three numbers, the greatest place value of them is the hundreds place, and the greatest place value on this one is the 100,000s place, and for this one, it's the millions place. So we will pronounce this 5,178,784. And that's because the 5 is in the millions place, so we know that's 5 million. 1 is in the 100,000s place, so that's 100,000. But remember, we have the 7 and 8 here. And they're all cumulatively in the thousands place, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So it would just read as 178,000. So whatever the number is here, you just read it as like, because this one is 178, and you would add whatever the place value is. And since they're in the thousands place, it would be 178,000. And same thing here would be 784. So it would read as 5,178,784. And yeah, that's it.